welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about stories from the continent of Africa. I have a few stories to tell you, so I want to go ahead and get started. This first story is called Moja Means One. It is a Swahili counting book. So first of all, I want to show you where Africa is and what it looks like, the continent looks like. This is the continent of Africa. It is a very large continent, very large area, and Swahili is just one of the many languages that they speak over on the continent of Africa. All over the world, people speak many different languages. Languages differ according to the country and the society in which the people live. People use numbers for counting, and the words for numbers are the words of their language. You may know some words from languages other than English, but do you know any words from an African language? Africa is one of the largest continents in the world. It spreads over 11 million square miles. That is enormous. And there are about 800 African languages spoken in many of the nations on this huge continent. Swahili is just one of the spoken languages across this beautiful land. So we're just going to learn a few words in Swahili. We're actually going to learn some counting words, 1 through 10. The first one, meaning Moja, means one. This is called Moja Means One, Swahili Counting Book by Muriel Feelings. Caldecott Honor Book. That means it won an honor for its illustrations. Here's Scout again. Always got to be out for story time. Moja means one. Snowy Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain in Africa. Two, Mbili. You say that? Mbili. Mancala is a counting game and is played by villagers young and old. Three is Tatu. Can you say that? Tatu. Farmers grow coffee trees in all parts of East Africa. Like Scout's enjoying this book as well. 4, Nay. Mothers usually carry their babies on their backs while walking. 5, Ta no. Can you say that? Ta no is 5. Many kinds of animals roam the grassy savanna lands. 6 is pronounced Sita. Can you say that? Sita. 6. The clothing East Africans wear includes the kanga, the busiti, the lapa, the kanzu, and the dashiki. Interesting. 7 is Saba. Can you say that? Saba is 7. The Nile River, which flows between Uganda and Egypt, is filled with fish. Wow. 8, Nane. Can you say that? Nane. 8. Busy market stalls are stocked with fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, clothes, jewelry, pottery, and carvings. Looks like fun. 9 is Tisa. Can you say that? Tisa. Men play drums, thumb pianos, bamboo flutes, and other instruments. Ten is kumi. Can you say that? Kumi. At night, the village's old people tell stories to children around the fireside. The end. Very interesting. Now you've learned some new words in the African language of Swahili. Very interesting. I've got another couple books coming.